Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Ebony, and in this video, as you can see by the title, I bought another mystery bundle from fabricmart.com. If you're new to what a mystery bundle is, you can get it through fabricmart.com and you pay $20 and they send you 10 yards of just random fashion fabrics. So I bought another one and I thought that I would just come on here and have you guys see my first reaction to the box. All right, so I have it here. I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna be very careful and cut it open. I don't want to accidentally rip anything. So they put everything in this plastic bag. So far, I like what I see. And then, yeah, as you can see, it's 10 yards of fashion fabric. And the price is $20. So I'm just gonna open everything one by one and let's see what I got. Okay, so up first, we have this black fabric. Let's see. Sometimes they put a sticker on it to tell you the yardage, but I don't see one on this one. So, I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. It's definitely see-through and it has like texture to it. I don't know what is the right side and what's the wrong side. It honestly looks the same, but it's cute. And it's a good amount of it also. I don't know what I would make with it. It's kind of giving me like tablecloth vibes, but I'm into it. I like the design, like the texture on it. I'm not mad at it. And yeah, I don't see a sticker. If I find it after, I'll put the yardage up on the screen. But we are off to a good start. So up next, so they do have a sticker on this one. They gave me 1.5 yards. So this is a knit. I think it's an ITY knit. I think I have worked with this before. I didn't get the fabric that I had before from Fabric Mart. I think I got it from maybe Walmart. If I remember, I'll try and put a picture of the Vogue outfit that I made with the fabric similar to this. But it's stretchy. It has a little bit of sheen to it. And it's a little see-through, but it's not bad. I can definitely make like a top out of this. I'm into it. And then I think it looks like the next fabric that they gave me is the same fabric, but just in a different color. And this one is 2.5 yards. This is really pretty. This is giving fall. I love this one. And with 2.5 yards, I can do a lot with this. So it has a little bit of sheen to it. And it's see-through. It's not too bad though. Yeah, I can see this being like a cute knit dress or like a top or like a matching set like that Mimi G pattern with the tank top and the skirt. This would be perfect for that. It's really cute. It's giving fall. It's very much fall vibes. All right, we're already at our last one. So this one is definitely a woven. And they gave me 4 yards, which is nice. So it's this floral print. Let's see. it is not see-through. I think I can picture this being like a button down or like a shirt dress. I like the flowers, like the mini flowers. I don't know if I like the colors, but I can see it as a button down or like a shirt dress or something like that. But it's really pretty. I'm not mad at it. All right, so that is all that I got in my bundle. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick little video. I'm actually in the middle of a project right now, so be on the lookout for that video as well. But if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you saw a fabric that you like. If you have any ideas of what patterns I can use with the fabric that I got, let me know. And if you've ever bought a mystery bundle, let me know that too. And if you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you here, and I will catch you guys in my next upload.